Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this video is going to be a real quick one, so stick around till the end. So guys, today we're going to be talking about trackpad problem, or touchpad as you may call it. Well, so guys, sometimes it may happen that the trackpad or touchpad of our computer or laptop might stop working due to some reason, and we go crazy and like uninstalling and reinstalling all the drivers. So guys, before you do all those crazy things, I'm going to teach you a short trick which might help you in solving this problem. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So guys, here I'm using Asus VivoBook X505ZA model, and the trick that I'm going to be telling you, which is going to help you in enabling your trackpad functionality again. This is very simple one, and it is compatible to most of the other devices, or you can say if not the same, it's more similar, and the process is almost same in all kinds of devices. So guys, here you can see that the trackpad is completely working fine, absolutely fine, and it is completely clickable. As you can see, I'm clicking over here, and yeah, it's working fine. So now, as you can see, we have to click these two buttons, the function key and the trackpad symbol one, and they'll show you that the trackpad has been disabled and now it's not working. And now what you have to do is you have to press this function button and the trackpad button once again, and they'll show you that the trackpad has been enabled, and yeah, it's working fine. So that is it. So guys, once again, it's the function key and the F9 in my device. That's the Asus VivoBook, and if you're using some other devices, it may vary, but the process is almost similar. So in this case, it's the function key and the F9, that is the trackpad symbol, and that's it. So guys, that is pretty much it for the video. If you found the video useful, drop a like, share the video, comment on it, and of course do subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in the next video.